Did you know that at one time you could purchase a board game known as the Great Blizzard Travel Game? Entrepreneurs quickly capitalized following the powerful 1978 nor'easter 48 years ago. It wasn't just another winter storm, it became one of the most historic weather events in modern American history. While Maine was spared the brunt of the snowfall, recording only 8 inches in Portland, much of southern New England was buried under more than 2 feet during the relentless 33-hour stretch. Parts of Boston were hit with 54 inches. In Connecticut, the roof of the Hartford Civic Center collapsed just hours after a UConn basketball game. In total, the storm claimed 100 lives and injured thousands more. In Maine, the story was about the sea. As the storm stalled offshore, hurricane-force winds drove a powerful surge into the Gulf of Maine. Coastal flooding and erosion reached historic levels. In Old Orchard Beach, massive waves ripped apart sections of the pier. The blizzard of 78 didn't just make history. Along Maine's coast, it rewrote it. And if you're thinking of making your own Maine history, we are here to help you find the perfect place to call home. Until next time, I'm Laura Sosnowski, and I invite you to imagine more.